Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
What's up, lifers? Try to get over here and shade where it don't look so bad. Know it's been a day or two since I did a video. Maybe 3, maybe a week, maybe a month, I don't know. Been a day or two. I've been filming. I've been trying to make content. Deer hunting, can't control it. I'm not gonna put up a video where I don't see anything interesting. Just not going to. Fishing, can't control it. Haven't been able to catch a fish in forever. That's a lie. Last time when I caught a fish, it was about that big. Gonna try to get back out and start doing a little more fishing. Been sick for about a week. That's kind of slowed things down. Starting to feel better. But I brought y'all on today. We're gonna see if I can get the feeder to throw again. I may have to go buy a battery, I'm not sure. The other day when I worked on it, I didn't like the way it was acting anyway. Well, we can go down there and do that. I'll set y'all up where y'all can see, maybe. I don't know, I got you on a short tripod. But we're gonna go down there and check it out. We're also gonna check the camera while we're here. But I know last night the feeder didn't throw, so something's wrong with it. So we're gonna go down there and check it out. Okay, I've evaluated the situation. The battery is dead. Don't look like it's through in a couple of days. There's not very much corn left. None at all. We'll probably be able to tell by the pictures the last time it threw. Maybe we'll see some deer. I'll post the pictures right after I get through with this right here. Ought to be a short, sweet video. I won't put nothing up but deer and crazy coon pictures. Maybe bobcat or coyote, you know, whatever comes through. I won't put the 3,000 wind pictures I'll have. You know, I promise you I'll have that. See a few deer tracks in the food plot. Food plot here is not doing that great because it's not getting that much sun. Well, we planted the rifle range and it looks like carpet out there. I'm kind of happy with it. Need to open this up some more where it gets more sun in here. More of that away where it gets more of afternoon sun. Next year we should be good. I'm gonna try to come in here and do a little work after season. Open it up a little bit more. I got a big project I want to do, but having the money to do it is not there. But tell me what y'all think. When I bought this place, I had a pond, about a half-acre, maybe a little bigger pond. Hell, sometime about right before I got married, which is like a long time ago, the spillway got stopped up and I didn't know it, and we had a big rain and it blew out. That's when I just didn't pay attention to it. My fault. Well, y'all seen a couple of videos way back when. It's just a mud hole now. I'm really wanting to rent a backhoe, go in there and clean all the trees up that are growing out of the dam, redo the dam, put a new spillway in it, and let it fill back up. A pond restoration. If I did a video like that, would y'all watch? Would y'all share? That's the most important thing. Would y'all share? Because that's going to be an expensive project, and I'd like. Alright, had to replace a battery. I hope this one lasts a little bit longer. That one's only been in there since, I don't even know. right around the middle of September. So that's about 2 months. I guess that's pretty good. Maybe this will last till the end of the season. Then maybe I can find a solar charger again. I looked all day yesterday. It looks like American Hunter has shit the bed and changed everything up. And I'm probably going to a different system. Alright. There wasn't nothing on the camera to speak of, so I didn't put any pictures in there. Nothing but a coon or two. But I can see my grass is getting ate down on up, so maybe they just didn't come to the feeder because they hadn't been throwing. So, we're on camera right now. I promise you, it's up and running. If y'all made it this far in this little short, cringy ass video, y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Sharing is caring in this day and age. So, get to it, y'all.